Seattle, Lindy Hop 2.5, week number 1. This is the Frankie Classics series, and here's the little sequence of events we put together today. We'll take it here. This connected hand can move in between, and we draw the leg up. Oh. One more time. We draw the leg up, kick, and rock, step, lock. And then from here, we can either square it up, or from the lock, we can turn. We also took 2 circles going circle, triple, step, step, triple again, rock, triple, step, step, triple. We did 2 variations on the jive kick. So we can take it very square, rock, step, kick, get a kick. Or we can take that and we can open up, going rock, and you kick, and you kick. We had some footwork variations as well. We can take the rock, step straight, rock, step. We can also let the foot pop, rock, step. When we put those things together, it looks something like this.